Welcome back. Now before you upgrade your website to the new WordPress 5.0, you are going to want to back up everything that's on your current website. And one of the ways that you can do that, if you don't have a plugin or some kind of service to do that, is to install a plugin that WordPress that's made available to you through the WordPress menu. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add New. We're then going to write in Manage WP. You'll typically see one that has lots of installations as well as good reviews. You can then click Install Now. Once you do that, you can then click the Activate button. You're then going to add your website to your Manage WP account. Now, if you're using Manage WP for the first time, you probably don't have an account. You can click this button to open one. We're going to agree. Then we're going to click Sign Up. You'll then be asked to connect your website. Then you'll click Add Website. You'll then be asked for your username and password. Once you've done that, you'll then be able to go to your dashboard. Now with the Manage WP account, you can back up one website without having to pay. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and back up our website. So we're going to come into the Backups menu. We're then going to click Activate Backups. We're going to click the Free Backup, and then we're going to activate. When you start for the first time, Manage WP is going to take some time to assemble the information on its site, and then it will then start creating a snapshot so that you will be able to back up. And you'll then have a backup system for your website inside of Manage WP. And in order to access the backup process, again, all you'll need to do, I'm going to log out of this website. And we're going to take note of the web address. And in order to log into that web address again, in order to initiate a backup, all you need to do is to put in your email and your password. And if you need to initiate a restore process from a backup, you'll be able to do it from inside of Manage WP. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.